H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing, and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys, how we are different from our competitors. 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus, one-time fee and lifetime access to classes, access to recorded sessions of live classes. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For a free demo class, visit us at h2kinfosys.com.
First one is open browser. Launch ebay.com.
We can see your screen, Kumar.
Oh, what about others? Hello, can you all see? Others can see my screen. I think Pandu, you are asking, right? Others can see my screen. Can you check it over?
Now it is fine. Now it's fine.
Okay, fine. Yeah. See here, launch ebay.com, and here enter camera or something. Okay, enter camera here. I'm talking about here. Okay, enter camera, and then click on the search button. Okay, so we'll enter camera here. You click on search. Probably we'll click on this this daily deals or sell. Okay. Probably sign in also. We'll go to this daily deals. Okay, so this is our scenario. This is our test case. I want to automate this one. Okay, now here I'm taking a new. Now be interactive. Now you have to guide me in writing this script. eBay without recording. Okay. Yep. Can you all guide me? Can you post your guesses over here in the chat box? First step is here we want to automate open browser. Now what I have to do here? First of all, I have to write a method, right? Class should contain methods. So public void. Let me say search. Search was our method name. Okay. Here, first thing is we want to open the browser. Yep. Can you post your guesses? If I want to open a browser, what I have to do? Yep, we have to create the instance for the Firefox drive. Right. So Firefox. Okay. Let me say browser. New Firefox driver. And from where this Firefox driver get into picture? We did not create, right? We did not create this Firefox driver. Yes, we did not create this Firefox driver. This is the class which is internal to the Selenium. Here, which is already imported here. Import org.openqa.selenium, which is a part of Selenium WebDriver interface. Okay, this is a class. Okay, this is a class here. It is a part of this Selenium QA. Okay. So now we are successfully opening the browser. Now next step is we want to open ebay.com here. Now, if I want to open a browser, what I can do here? What I have to do? So where we want to open this URL? Within this browser. So this browser dot get. Okay. Here give the URL of the application. And if you remember, I said here one recommendation is you have to make sure that there should be HTTP. Okay. Now we are successfully opening the browser. After that, we want to enter camera. Now, how can I achieve this? If I want to enter camera here, what I have to do? I want to enter camera here from the script. What I have to do here? If that's correct. Yep, that's correct, Harika. Yep. Any other cases from anyone? Now, how can I find the locator of this? Basically, we have to find the locator of this particular text box. So, right click, say inspect element with Firebug. Okay. If you all observe here, first of all, look at ID. Now you have ID, so directly you can use this ID. If you don't have the ID, you can go for the name. If you don't have the name, check whether it is a link or not. If it is a link, take the link text. If it is not linked, then probably you can go for export. Okay, export we will discuss. As of now, what you can do here, if you really come across a scenario like, if you don't have a ID, if you don't have a name, okay, if it is not a link, then you can probably look at the export. So as of now, if you really want to export, now go to Selenium IDE, record, take a new test case, record on a particular text box. So in that case, it is basically going to give the export. In the Selenium IDE, it is going to give the export. As of now, you can copy and use that export because we'll discuss in the coming classes. Right away, I don't want to make you scared. Okay? I don't want to scare all of you. So that's the reason I'm slowly, making you understand the concepts. Okay. Now, basically, now this is the ID. So, browser dot find element by ID. Okay. So, by highlighted line here, by using this highlighted line, what it is going to do? Basically, the highlighted line is going to recognize a particular object in the application. Okay. So once it recognizes, it gives a value back. Basically, it is going to refer a particular object. Technically, that is called as web element here in Selenium. The highlighted line, basically, it is going to recognize an object. Okay. Once it recognizes, it gives back an object called web element. Okay. We'll come back to that. So once it recognizes, what we want to do? First, we have to clear it. We have to clear the if we have any content, first of all, we have to clear it. Once we clear, we have to enter. Right? We have to enter some value here. For that, we have send keys. Okay. Here, say I want to enter camera here. Okay. So this is how we can enter a value in the text box. Now after that, you want to click on the search button, right? Now use this spy button and spy this particular object. Okay. Now see here, it has some ID, so you can use this ID. Okay, so you can enter camera here, and after that we want to click on search. Okay, after that we want to click on the daily deals. Again, spy this. Now everyone observe here. First of all, try to see you have any ID here. Do we have ID here? In this highlighted part, do we have ID? Do we have name? Okay, we don't have the ID, we don't have the name. Now if we closely look at here, it is a link. How can I conclude this is a link? How can I conclude this is a link? How can I conclude whether it is a link or not? Yes, that's correct. You know, by looking at this tag, this tag, we can conclude it is a link. Okay. So here I'm taking this daily deals. Okay. So I conclude that this is a link. Suppose even it is not a link, then probably we have to depend on XPath. Okay. In that case, you have to open Selenium IDE, record it, and copy the XPath and use in the script. Now click on daily deals. Okay. Now here it is a link text, right? We are basically taking the text of the link. So I'm taking the locator as link text here. Okay. Dot click. I think yep, we have decided in this scenario. So now see here. Now we took a simple scenario and we were trying to automate this. Okay. Now I want to execute this. In how many ways we can execute a Java class? In how many ways we can execute? And what are they? In two ways we can execute a Java class. One is main method, one is using annotation. Right. So now here I am using annotation here. Now let us try to execute this. Now, any one of you here, if you have any question on today's this particular script, if any small question, please post in chat box. Okay, this is very important. If you are able to write a script like this, as I said, you are almost done. If any one of you have any small question also, please post over here. And if it is clear for you, please mention it as clear. Here I can see around 20 students. So I can see either a question or around at least clear. Okay, let us open the exhibit. Here